We are looking at how to pronounce this term that designates a car that has a sleek, sloping roofline, and the eternal debate, is it coupe or coupé? Well, this is a word of French origin, and it does have the accent on the E, and it means cut, as in, the back of the car is cut. That's actually what it means. And because of this accent here, if you want to say cut, in French you have to say coupé. Well, in French it's actually pronounced coupé, coupé. If you say coupe, and I think in the US in particular, they say a coupe car. Well, if you say coupe, coupe means a cup, as in it's more like in a coupe of champagne, for example, and that's what it means. So that's not exactly entirely correct, but yes, coupé is how it should be said, really, to respect the meaning of the word, essentially coupé, coupé, and now you know it all. Oh, why is there some car brand names popping up? I don't know. That's my slide, doing funny things. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting car-related words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.